Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, make sure that you tap at the touch controls. The touch controls located at the bottom of each earbud. Right here at the top we have it. So we have double press and press and hold. So try to do this. Maybe you need to put them to your ears and then try to use your controls. Now, if you know that you tap correctly, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone, and then you open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the charging case, and then check is it work. If it also doesn't work, I recommend you to open Huawei AI Life application, and the best one that you can do this only on Android. You cannot use the application on the iPhone. I mean, you can install the application, you can set up this application, but you cannot add these earbuds to the application on the iPhone, only for Android. And if your headphones connected with the app, you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, then go to the gesture control, and this happens when your gesture feature set to none. And as you can see right here, I have none for the double press. So by default it's plain pause, you can select it, or some another feature. And also check press and hold. So right here I have only one option, noise, ambient sound control. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!